Okay, class, can you hear me?
Opo.
Okay, recognizing the attendance of Ashley, Charisse, Cyril, Densley, Emilio, Jane, Christoph. We are 7 all in all, 8 rather. We are still waiting for the others. Also, we have Crizel Lumocho. Okay, so as we have continued, just a review of the previous lesson. Yesterday, we were not able to finish our classes due to the fact that we are out of time. So today, we will be continuing that one, wherein we are now on the quiz part of our activities. And furthermore, I would like to review you first on some of the activities that we did yesterday. So let's try answering number 3. On number 3, is a review. So we have the given 4x plus 9 equals negative 11. Okay. In this case, to solve this one, okay, recognizing also Red, he is now present. And Miko Espinosa, he is now present. Okay, so we have 4x plus 9 equals negative 11. So this was an example given to you yesterday. In this case, lahat po ng numbers nasa right side and lahat naman po ng numbers with variables nasa left side. Itong variable, maiiwan siya dito, 4x equals. Itong 9, ililipat natin sa kabila. Pag nilipat natin siya sa kabila, from positive turn to negative. So negative 11, negative 9. So we have, ito lang yung clue dito, pag negative utang, pag positive bayad. We have dalawang utang dito, so utang pa rin siya. 11 plus 9 is 20. And minus minus, so that is minus 4x. Then bring down 4 for the division. So we have x is equal to 20 divided by 4, that is 5. Kaso lang negative yung isa, so negative din po. Okay? So this was the lesson that we have discussed last meeting. So again, Cindy is here now. So we are now 13 all in all. So maybe you could start the activity with our quiz in quiz number, okay, wait lang ha, saglit lang. Quiz number 17. So on our quiz number 17, that is 5 items all in all. So using the quizzes app, so for 10 minutes, we will be doing that one. Okay, the quizzes will be linked on the chat box. Just give me 30 seconds. Okay, in our quiz, I would like you to show your solution completely in your notebook before answering. No solution, no recording of scores. 4 points for the correct one, 2 points for the wrong one. So we are on quiz number 17. 20 over 20. 4 points po ang tama. 2 points po ang mali. Okay, that is complete solution in your notebook. So click the link on the chat box. We have the code 192624 and register your name now. So this is a 10-minute activity. You don't need to make it fast, and this is recorded. So we have the following registered: Cyril, Lomocho, Christoph, Charisse. Still waiting for the others. Jane is here. Ashley, wala pa po. Ayun, dyan na si Ashley. Cindy, wala pa po. Densley, andyan na. Emilio, wala pa rin po. Miko, Red, wala pa po. We are now 7. Emilio is here. Red, si Red na lang po kung wala, I think. Yes po, Cindy, link po ito. Just click that one. Or you may register using the quizzes app, 192624. The code is 192624. Again, class, this is a complete solution activity. You have to write your solution on your notebook and send it in our page at the same time. Okay? Ted, nakakapasok ka na ba? Okay, in 3, 2, 1, pasok na lang po kung hindi pa po nakapasok. Total, hindi naman to magko-close. 10 minutes starts now. Again, this is a complete solution. Take note, complete solution. Miko, complete solution po ito, Miko. Huwag po magmadali. Yung code po is 192624. Nasa link po ang code, Cindy. 192624. Okay, we have one finisher. We have Nico, first finisher. Okay, Nico, send your score and your screen complete solution on our page. Okay, last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. So far, the highest scorer is Densley, Cyril, and Christoph. Okay, time's up, time's up, time's up. So, yung hindi pa po natatapos, bilis-bilisan po. Okay, okay, let's continue. So, yung sa hindi pa po natatapos, just continue doing it. And you have siguro mga 2 minutes to finalize your answer and send your scores and your complete solution in our Facebook page. Okay, so let's continue our lesson. We are now on day number 2 of algebraic expressions, linear equations, inequalities. So today, we will be learning na about the linear inequality in one variable. Yesterday, linear equation. Ngayon, linear inequality. Ibig sabihin, from the word inequality, we will be trying to solve solve algebraically given with inequality signs or tulad ng less than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So, tingnan natin. So, when you say linear inequality, please copy the definition. So, when you say linear inequality, it is a statement involving one variable which exponent is 1. Tulad ng kahapon, ang linear equation po, 1 lang po yung exponent. The highest exponent is 1. Sa linear inequality, ganun din po. 1 is the highest exponent or the highest degree. Pero, it uses the inequality symbols wherein the focus is the inequality. Okay? Please copy this, the definition, then type done if you're done. Okay, can we continue? 13 po kayo lahat. So please participate. If you're done, you type done so that I could proceed. Okay, still waiting for the others. Kung tapos na ba?
Okay, I found this on the web for waiting for the others. Check it out.
Siri, shut up. Okay, let's proceed now. So these are the inequality symbols. I know you are very familiar with this. We have lesser than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. Sometimes itong merong not equal to at most ang tawag, sa kabila naman at least. Okay, not equal to equals na may slash. You don't need to copy this one. Okay, you don't need to copy. Alam niyo naman ito siguro. Okay, let's proceed now. So this is the standard form of the linear inequality in one variable. Kahapon po yung equation, ax plus b equals c. Ngayon hindi naman po kasi inequality na siya, ax plus b is greater than c. Yun naman po yung standard form ng linear inequality. Okay, please copy. Okay, let's have our first game now. So the game is called the Pop the Balloon. So sa Pop the Balloon, I'll be showing it to you for a while, just 30 seconds. Okay, this is the Pop the Balloon or Balloon Pop. Ganito po yung mangyayari. Meron pong level 1. Tapos sa level 1, merong trend na dadaan. Sasaluin nyo yung tamang sagot. For example, sa trend, dumaan yung trend na ganito ang symbol. Ano ba siya? Greater than, less than. I-pop nyo yung balon para masalo ng trend. Okay? Pag nasa greater than ang sagot nyo, so ganun po, level complete. Okay, I'll be sending the link on the chat box. I hope you got it. So, click the link now. Then, if there is a problem, just tell me so that I could send you a printed game. So, this is just 5 minutes. Your time starts now.
Anong link, sir?
Nasa chat box po. Okay, si Ashley, ayaw daw pong open. Maybe your signal is not strong. Sige lang, Ashley, I'll be sending you a printed of this. Click the link on the chat box. I-refresh mo lang, Ashley. Anyway, hindi naman to siya nawawala na game throughout the day. Andyan po yan siya available. I-refresh mo lang siya. Kung hindi talaga, i-landscape or i-rotate mo yung cellphone mo wherein you can access that one. Okay, pop the balloon, just pop the balloon, identify the symbol. Nasa trend po ang symbol, i-identify nyo lang po kung greater than, less than, or equal. Okay lang po, Red, pag malakas na, doon ka na po mag-connect. Okay, 4 minutes left, 4 minutes. Okay, last 2 minutes. Okay. Time's up, time's up, time's up. So, how was the activity? Anyone would like to share? On the chat box, please. What happened to your scores? Or meron bang problem? Or ano ba yung nagustuhan nyo sa activity na yon? So, densely got 7. Sino nakaabot ng level 5 talaga? Nakakompleto ng level 5. So, si Nico naka-level 5 daw siya. Si Christoph, 11 yung score niya. So, per level no,
Level
nadadagdag.
10, sir.
Yes po. Per level, nadadagdagan yung question. So, napakarami. Okay? So, time's up, time's up, time's up. Thank you for participating for our game number 1 for this morning. Okay, let's proceed. So, let's go back to the lesson. So, kindly look at these examples that I have in colors in example number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2x plus 4 is less than 2. That is less than, so that is considered an inequality or linear inequality in one variable. Bakit siya one variable? Kasi x lang andyan. Kung xy ang nilagay natin, two variables na siya. Next, x is greater than negative 2. Next, x is greater than or equal to 0. 2x minus 2 is less than 6x minus 5. 6x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 3 times the group of or the quantity x minus 5. 2 times the quantity x minus 8 is less than 10. So, ganoon yun siya pagbasa ng mga examples na yan. So, these are the examples of inequalities. Okay? So, just copy one. At isa lang po ang kopyahin dyan. Then, type done if you're done. Okay, I think we are now ready for the next. Okay, next. Game number 2. Ay, wala pa pala. Solution pa pala tayo. Hindi pa pala tayo tapos. Okay, are we going to solve that one? So in that case, where is my pentel pen? Ito. So we have 2x plus 4 less than 2. Can we look at this? 2x plus 4 less than 2. We will be solving that one algebraically. If you are going to ask, bakit ganyan, sir? So, I will not answer that one today. Tomorrow yun siya yun na lesson natin. Okay? Yung mga reasons bakit ganito pag-solve, bakit ganyan pag-solve. Okay? So, this one. 2x, lahat ng variables na sa left side, lahat ng numbers na sa right side. So, 2, ito siya positive 4. Pag nilipat sa kabilang side, magiging negative 4 na siya. Okay? Next, 2x, meron kang 2, binawasan ng 4, 2 na lang. Kaso lang, 2 is bayad, utang mo is 4. So may kulang ka pa. So kulang is negative. So negative 2 siya. Next, divided by 2, divided by 2. Cancelled, cancelled, x is less than negative 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1, tama? Kaso lang, negative, ito siya positive. Magkaiba ng sign, since magkaiba sila ng sign, nag-divide ka, therefore negative din siya dito. Okay? Please copy example number 1, then we will try your turn. Okay, number 1 yan siya. Your turn. We have 3x plus 3 less than okay, we have 3x plus 3 less than 12. Masyadong maliit. 3x plus 3 less than 12. Okay, 3x plus 3 less than 12. 3x plus 3 less than 12. Okay, your turn. Let us see if you were able to answer that one. Just post your answer in the chat box after 1 minute. Antayin niyo yung clue ay yung cue ko para pwede na mag-post ng answer. Okay, post your answer now if you have the answer. Everyone, please participate. Okay lang po na mali ang sagot ninyo so that I could know if I am going to proceed or not, or going to repeat the example. Emilia, Jane, Christoph, Crisel, Miko, Red, please participate. Okay, we have Christoph. X should be less than 3. Ashley is the same. X is less than 3. Densely is X is less than 3. So let's reveal if that is correct. Okay, everyone, please participate. Others, Cyril has the answer now. Jane has also the answer. So let's reveal the answer. So we have 3x. Okay, dito lang siya, stay as it is, less than. Si 3 naman, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative 3 na siya. So 12 minus 3, that is 9. So 3x divided by 3, cancelled. X should be equal to, I know, not equal. X should be less than 3. And that is right. So everyone got it correct. Okay, very good. Okay, let's proceed to example number 4. Purahin ko na po. In 3, 2, 1. Okay. Example number 4. So we have 2x minus 2 less than 6x minus 5. Okay, in example number 2 and 3, no need to answer that one because nasagutan na siya. X is less than negative 2 at saka x is and so on and so forth. Okay, 2x. Ilipat si 6x sa kabilang side, magiging negative 6x. Less than. Sa negative 2 naman, ilipat sa kabilang side kasi lahat po ng variables dito, lahat po ng numbers dito. So, negative 2, magiging positive 2 na siya. So, positive 2 tapos minus 5. Okay, pwede ba mag-interchange sila? Pwede po, actually. Okay, next. 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6, that is 4. Tama? Kaso lang, may binayad ka na 2, utang mo 4, ay 6. So therefore, may kulang ka pa na 4. Then their apelyido or their variable is x. 2 minus 5. Meron kang binayad na 2, may utang ka na 5. So may kulang ka pa na 3. Okay? Next. Itong negative 4, divide natin. Negative. Okay? Take note of this. Kapag nag-divide ka ng negative sa inequality, mag-change yung sign. Again, kapag ang i-divide mo is negative, mag-change yung sign. Magiging ganito na siya. Take note of that, ha? So 4x, where x na siya, x should be 3 divided by 4, that is 3 over 4. 3 over 4 pa rin. Of 3. Kasi nga po, 3 divided by 4, 3 over 4 pa rin. Tapos, negative, negative. Negative divided by negative is positive. So, okay na po ganyan. Positive is invisible. So, we now have x is greater than 3 over 4. Bakit siya naging greater than? Dito less than. Kasi nga po, negative yung dinivide natin. Kapag negative ang i-divide, mag-change ang sign. Okay? Next. Your turn. Please copy muna, then type done if you're done. Please copy, then type done if you're done. Okay, your turn. Let's have 4x minus 5 less than 8x minus 2. Again, 4x minus 5 less than 8x minus 2. Okay, start answering now. Then we will have posting of answers after 1 minute. Okay, post your answer now. We have densely negative 3/4. X is greater than negative 3/4. Okay, Lourdes Andre, we have negative 3/4. So Ashley is negative 3/4, Nico is positive 3/4, Christoph is positive 3/4, Nancy is negative 3/4. Who got it right? So let's reveal. So this is 4x. Then 8x, ilipat natin sa kabila from positive 8x turn to negative 8x. Itong negative 5 naman, ilipat natin sa kabila from positive negative 5 turn to positive 5. 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2, that is 3, tama? 4 minus 8, that is 4. Kaso lang, negative si 8, mas malaki si 8, so negative 4x. Then divide both sides by negative 4, negative 4. Then cancel x, since negative ang dinivide natin, mag-change ang sign. So negative 3/4 ang answer. Tama po, marami po nakatama. Negative 3/4. Sa sign lang talaga kayo nagproblema. Okay? Kapag nag-divide po kayo tulad nito, isa lang po ang negative, so negative agad ang sagot. Nakuha? Unlike this one, pag parehong negative, positive ang sagot. Is that clear? Kapag pareho ng sign, positive. Kapag magkaiba ng sign, negative. Kapag mag-divide po kayo. Okay, the answer here is negative 3/4. Well, anyway, halos tama naman din yung sagot ninyo. Sa sign lang talaga kayo nagkamali. Okay, next. Next example. So, tingnan natin yung number 6. Allow me to erase this one in 3, 2, 1. Number 6, we have 2 times x minus 8, then less than 10. In this case, kapag naka 2 times the quantity, naalala niyo yung kahapon, yung i-distribute natin, ganun po din yung gagawin dito ngayon. I-distribute din po natin sila. So, 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times 8, that is 16. Negative dito, so magiging negative 16 din siya. Less than 10. Okay? Next. Lahat ng variables sa left side, lahat ng numbers sa right side. So we have 2x from negative 16 turn to positive 16. So 10 plus 16, magiging 26 na siya. And 2x divided by 2 divided by 2. So what do you think is the answer now? So magiging x is less than 26 divided by 2, that is 13. Okay? So ganun naman po siya. Again, kapag merong parentheses or quantity na sinatawag ko yung group, magiging distributive po siya. I-distribute po natin. Okay? Tulad ng ginawa ko dito, i-distribute po siya. Okay. I think you're now ready for our quiz number 18. For quiz number 18, I would like you to click the link. Quiz number 18 is a while. Give me time. Okay, sige lang Ashley. I-send ko lang sa'yo yung printed later. Tulad ng ginawa ko kahapon, kung hindi talaga makuha Ashley, hindi talaga mag-read sa'yo. Alam ko naman, since nahihirapan si Ashley, mag-open ng word wall sa kanyang cellphone. Okay, just click the link for game number 2. We have wordwall.net and so on and so forth. Recorded po ito, quiz number 18, 20/20. 4 points po ang tama, 2 points naman po ang incorrect with complete solution. You have 15 minutes that one. Your time starts now. I-flip nyo po yung card para malabas yung question. Again, click the box, then flip the card. Okay, i-click lang yung flip, Nico. Merong word na flip dyan, i-click mo yung flip. Una-una, i-click mo yung box, yung merong item number 5, 4 points, ganun. I-click mo yon, tapos click mo yung flip na word. Okay, 12 minutes left. Last 10 minutes. Okay, last 6 minutes. 6 minutes remaining. If you're done, you may type done on the chat box. Okay, for the last 1 minute, just continue answering. And please turn on your video cameras for the attendance checking. Okay, please turn on your cameras now. So I think di nyo pa natatapos, tama? So just continue answering and send it in our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/humang2021. Okay, turn on your cameras in 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, thank you. Goodbye, everyone. I hope you enjoy our class today.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.